I've got several of these sort of old school players that you would have connected to the TV. You would have had loaded media on here. So what a lot of people did is they just ripped their DVDs to disc, and something like this could just play the DVD that you'd ripped to your disc. So it would also play a few other formats. Obviously there's been changes going forwards. There's a lot more H.265 files out there, so not great for that. Also you'd be limited to 1080p on this, but it would have supported, I think, up to 2 terabytes. It might have gone a little bit higher than that actually, this particular one. But I'll show you what I'm doing now, which is a really good use of this in conjunction with a Fire Stick. So with a Fire Stick you can obviously sideload apps to browse local networks, and what I've done is I've gone and bought one of these, and it's so easy to set up, I just couldn't believe it. It's a PIX-LINK 300M, so that's 300 megabits per second. That's what they state anyway. What you can do is you can plug this into power, go in, press that button on your router, and then this button here to kind of pair it, and then you don't even have to connect this to the PC and set up, because the software's a little bit, you know, clunky. So all I have done is basically put that into a port like that. So that is to power it, so it's taking the voltage from the USB port to power it, and then you connect it to your local area network. I don't have a Wi-Fi dongle with this. I know some of them did come with them, but I guess it probably would have been quite slow as well. So I think that this would be an improvement anyway. And yeah, when it's all powered on, you just browse it like a hard disk. Obviously you have to kind of set it up for SMB access, which is what I've done. But yeah, I can have this anywhere in the house, and I can watch stuff off of it quite easily now. Also, a big positive is I save it from going to landfill for a little bit longer, at least until the discs stop working. So I just thought I'd share a very quick video on how I'm using one of these adapters on one of my boxes to just give me a bit more use out of it. And yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll do some more videos in the future. Bye for now.